This is the Damned Designs Djinn XL. The Djinn XL is the drop point version of the Oni XL from Damned Designs. It comes in a variety of quality handle materials and blade steels, so you can find exactly what you are looking for. This model has a 3.125-inch Stonewashed drop point blade crafted from CPM S35VN stainless steel. It has a variety of opening options as well, including a front flipper and thumb hole. It has a bearing pivot for smooth operation regardless of how you choose to open it. The handle is made of Stonewash titanium with pink anodized accents on the pivot, backspacer, and pocket clip. The Djinn XL is an imaginative model from Damned Designs, and you can pick out your favorite at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. We were joking that the Djinn looked like it had a mohawk when it was closed. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more overviews like this. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our newsletter down below. We'll catch you on the next one.